Hi, this is the CUBOT King Kong 7 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now let's tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while the application will download and install it on our device. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So now we could see here information about my battery health, and in my case battery is in good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage and direct version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.